If you loved the last World Cup, bad news. You don't know the rules anymore. The ball is a computer now. Fake injuries? Banned. The referees wear cameras, and a goalkeeper can hand your rivals a corner just by holding the ball too long. 7 rules changed everything. Here's all of it before it kicks off on June 11th. Start with time wasting, because FIFA just declared war on it. That old trick, a keeper hugging the ball to run down a lead, is finished. Hold it longer than 8 seconds, and after a visible 5-second countdown from the referee, the other team doesn't get a free kick, they get a corner. Substitutes now get just 10 seconds to leave the pitch, and the fake injury, the magic cramp that arrives the moment your team goes ahead, that timeout is banned. And just like that, the stallers just ran out of moves. There are also new ways to get sent off. If a player covers his mouth to hide an insult, so the cameras and lip readers can't catch a slur, that's now a straight red, part of football's crackdown on abuse. Walk off the pitch in protest of a decision? Also red. And the video room got new powers. It can now overturn a wrongly given second yellow, fix a case of mistaken identity, or scrap a corner that should never have been awarded. But the biggest change is one you'll never see. The new match ball, the Trionda, has a sensor inside it that tracks the ball 500 times every second. Its exact speed, its spin, the precise instant it's touched. That data goes straight to the video room, and it's how they'll judge the tightest offside, and whether a hand really touched it. Tap it once, and you wonder. The ball is basically a referee now. The referees changed too. For the first time at a World Cup, the referee wears a body camera, so you'll see the game from inside the whistle. And the offside call got faster and stricter. The closest decisions now ping the official's earpiece in seconds, and the margin tightened, from 50 centimeters down to 10. So, quick recap. Goalkeepers on a clock, fake injuries gone, a red card for hiding abuse, a ball that thinks, and cameras riding on the referees. All of it landing on the biggest tournament ever. 48 teams, a brand new round of 32. For decades, the World Cup's dark arts, stalling, conning the ref, buying time, were almost part of the show. In 2026, the stopwatch and the censor quietly took them away. Same drama, same trophy, just a lot harder to cheat. Now you know exactly what changed. Subscribe and enjoy the strangest, biggest World Cup yet.